forced reload procedure can be performed for any of the following. The radio is non-responsive. Both soft and hard resets did not work. The radio is already in a forced reload state. The following items are required to successfully perform the forced reload procedure: a paper clip or a similar object, the scan tool utility, software firmware image, and the TFTP server. To download the firmware image, please refer to Answer ID 2976. To download the scan tool, please refer to Answer ID 1735. And to download the TFTP server, please refer to Answer ID 1376. The first step to perform a forced reload procedure is to unplug the power, then plug it back in. Then press the reload button for longer than 13 seconds. This will complete the forced reload procedure. Step number 2. Start both scan utility and the TFTP server. Note, make sure that the TFTP server is configured to point to the folder containing the firmware image to be downloaded. Once the forced reload has been complete, go ahead and open up the scan tool. You should see this right here. The IP address will be at 169.254.128.132. If you do not see this IP, that indicates that the radio has not been forced reloaded properly. To upload the firmware to the AP, go ahead and highlight the AP and go ahead and click Change. You're going to see this box pop up. By default, it's going to be set to dynamic. If you want, go ahead and set it to static. Enter the IP address, the mask, the gateway, the TFTP server, and the image file name. It's typically going to be a .sei or bin file. The password is always public. Once ready, go ahead and hit OK. You should see this, and after some time, what's going to happen is the TFTP server is going to stop uploading the information to the AP. The upload process takes about less than a minute. What you should see is sent and then the image and how many bytes were sent. If there's any errors, that means that it was not sent and you're going to have to try again. After some time, go back to the scan tool, do a rescan, and the radio should pop up. Now, if you notice, we did have a .113 IP. After the image is loaded, it will set the IP address back to dynamic. If you have a DHCP server, it will pull from that. If not, it will go back to a 169 IP address. To learn more about Proxim Wireless and our solutions, please visit us at proxim.com or follow us at Twitter @Proxim.